Many of you are excited to create image to video content for free, right? But the biggest issue these days is that most platforms have turned paid and won't let you create anything without asking for money. Some sites even look free at first, but the moment you hit that generate button, they suddenly demand payment. That can be really frustrating. So today, I've brought you something special. 8 websites where you can actually generate free videos without paying a single penny. Yes, you heard that right. 100% free with no hidden traps. And one more important thing, friends, this video won't waste your time by talking about the popular sites you already know, like Kling AI, Luma AI, Hailuo AI, and others. The truth is, most of them are completely paid now, so including them here would be pointless. Instead, I'll show you platforms that genuinely work for free, and trust me, this list is going to be like a gold mine for anyone serious about image to video creation. So, are you ready to discover these hidden gems? Then let's jump right in. But before we begin, let me clarify one thing. All the websites I'll be sharing today work smoothly on mobile phones too. That means you can try everything right from your pocket, hassle-free. Now sit back, watch carefully, and let's get started. The first tool on our list is Google AI Studio. To get started, just open Google and search for Google AI Studio. From the results, click on the official link, and it will take you straight to the main platform. Simply click on the Get Started button and log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left side and click on Generate Media. There, you'll find various options for AI tools, including image generation tools like Nano Banana, Gemini speech generation, and video outputs. Click on the VO option, because that's what we'll be using to create our AI videos. Before proceeding, ensure that the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, as this is the optimal size for most platforms, including YouTube. After that, I'll simply copy one of the ready-made prompts and paste it into the prompt box. Then click on Run and let Google AI Studio do its magic. In just a minute, your video will be ready. As you can see, the result looks great. And here's the best part. There's no big watermark. To save it, just click the download icon. And within seconds, the video will be stored on your device. Let's try it again with a different prompt. I'll paste it into the box, hit Run, and wait for the process. Once more, the video is generated quickly and comes out completely free. Currently, Google AI Studio lets you create about 10 videos per day on a single account. If you need more, you can wait for your daily limit to reset or consider creating an additional account. This way, you can get high-quality videos, all powered by Google AI. The second tool on our list is Whisk AI. To get started, open Google and type in Whisk AI. From the search results, click on the official website, and it will take you straight to the main platform. Once you're there, sign in with your email address to access the features. After logging in, you'll notice a clean and easy-to-use interface with a large prompt box right in the center of the screen. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's try it out. I'll copy one of my prepared prompts and paste it into the box. After that, simply hit the Generate button. Within a few seconds, Whisk AI will process the request and create high-quality images based on the prompt. If you're satisfied with the result, you can take things a step further. Just click on the animation icon, and Whisk AI will instantly transform your still image into a short animated video. Yes, with just a single click. Once you hit Generate, the system starts working on your video. It only takes a short wait, and then your video will be ready for you to preview or download directly to your device. Whisk AI allows you to create up to 10 videos for free. And do the same, just like with Google AI Studio, if you hit the daily limit and continue creating. This way, you can enjoy unlimited video generation without spending a single dollar. Just smooth, fast, and creative video production at zero cost. The third tool on our list is Google VEO3. To begin, open Google and type in Flow. From the search results, click on the official website, and it will take you right to the homepage. Once you're there, select Create with Flow and sign in using your email address. After logging in, wait a moment and then click on New Project. You'll now see a clean and user-friendly dashboard with a large prompt box. That's where the real magic happens. If you click on your profile icon, you'll notice that you automatically receive 100 AI credits for video generation. Before we dive in, let's adjust a few important settings. click on the Settings button and set the aspect ratio depending on the type of video you want, 16:9 for wide videos or 9:16 for vertical shorts. Next, set outputs per prompt to 1 so you don't waste too many credits. Then, under Models, choose VEO3 Fast, where each video costs just 20 credits. If you prefer the VEO3 quality model, keep in mind that it uses 100 credits for a single video. Now, let's put it to the test. I'll paste one of my prepared prompts into the box and click Generate. In just a few moments, VEO3 will process it and produce a high-quality video for you. Once it's done, you can preview or download the video instantly. On top of that, Google VEO3 gives you the option to enhance your video up to 1080p resolution for free. Just select the 1080p option, and your upgraded video will be ready. Also, do the same, just like with Google AI Studio and Whisk AI. This way, you can generate videos, all powered by Google's advanced AI technology. The fourth tool on our list is ChatGLM. To get started, search ChatGLM on Google and click on the official site. When you first land on the page, don't be surprised if it appears in Chinese. No problem, just right-click anywhere. Select Translate to English, and you're good to go. To create an account, you'll need to sign up with a phone number for verification. Copy the number and head back to ChatGLM. Click on the Login button, select the US country code, paste the copied number, and request a verification code. Then, return to the number, refresh the page, copy the code you receive, paste it into ChatGLM, and log in. Once you're inside, head over to the AI video section. Let's test it out with a simple prompt. I'll paste my prepared prompt here. If you click on Basic Parameters, you'll notice some advanced features are locked for VIP users. But don't worry, the free version already has plenty to work with. You can generate HD quality videos and even add up to 3 AI sound effects per day without paying a dime. After entering your prompt, hit Generate. Since it's free, the process takes a little longer, around 7 minutes in my case, but the final result was worth it. Smooth animation, clean visuals, and no strange glitches. The only downside is that free videos come with a watermark. Either way, ChatGLM is a powerful option for creating quality AI videos at zero cost. The fifth tool on our list is Qwen AI. To get started, open Google and type Qwen AI into the search bar. From the results, click on the first link, and it will take you straight to the Qwen AI platform. Once you're on the site, sign in with your email address. After logging in, you'll notice a neat and simple interface. On the main page, click on the More button. Clicking on it will expand all features, including the video generation tool. Go ahead and select that option to begin. Before generating a video, make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for long videos or 9:16 for short videos. To test this out, I'll paste one of my sample prompts into the box and click Generate. Qwen AI, I will then begin processing my request. Please note that Qwen AI can only handle one video at a time, so it may take a little while to complete. Once the rendering is complete, your video will appear on the screen. To download it, just click the download icon and the file will be saved directly to your device. That's all it takes. Now let's try again with a different prompt. I'll paste it in, click Generate, and wait a short while. And just like that, another video is ready. I was able to create multiple videos this way, all with smooth results. The best part? Qwen AI currently offers free video generation and doesn't leave any watermarks, making it a great choice for quick, high-quality videos. It's a fantastic choice if you want quick, high-quality videos without spending a single cent. The sixth tool on our list is Veer. To get started, open Google and search for Veer. Click on the very first link, and it will take you directly to the official website. Unlike many other platforms, Veer is designed specifically for image-to-video conversion. And here's the best part. It's completely free, unlimited, and watermark-free. Once you land on the site, you'll see different AI tool options. From these, choose the image-to-video feature. On the next screen, you'll find an upload button. Here, you need to upload the image you want to transform into a video. I already have a few images ready for my project, so I'll use one of them as an example. After uploading, you can add a simple prompt to guide the animation style. Then click the Generate button and Veer will immediately start processing. Within just a few seconds, your video will be ready. To save it, simply click on the download icon. Keep in mind, Veer does not store your files, so make sure to download your video as soon as it's created. Now let's try another one. I'll remove the previous image, upload a new one, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. And there it is, another video complete. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, which makes it perfect for creating batches of content or experimenting with different looks and styles. With Veer AI, you can start for free with no watermark and unlimited basic usage. You can generate unlimited image to video clips quickly, easily, and for free. Now, let's move on to our 7th powerful AI tool, Tencent Hunyuan AI. First, search for it on Google and click the very first link. When the site loads, you'll notice that the interface is in Chinese by default. Don't worry, you can easily switch it to English, and once you do, everything looks much clearer. At first glance, the layout of this site will feel somewhat similar to ChatGLM AI. There is a chat section that operates similarly to GPT, but for video generation, you'll need to click the Visual Generation button. This will open a new window where you'll find multiple models for creating both images and videos. Click on Explore More Models. Here you can find various image generation models. Since we need a video model, click on Video Generation. For video creation, you can explore various models, including the avatar video model, reference video, text to video, and image to video. I will try the image to video model by clicking the Try It Now button. To use it, you'll need to sign up first. The platform gives you 3 sign-up options. Go ahead and choose Login with the email option. Sign up with your email and complete the on-screen verification process to log in. Now, the process is pretty straightforward. Upload an image, add a prompt to guide the animation, and adjust your aspect ratio. You can pick 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Shorts. There's also an option to add AI-generated sound effects, but for this example, I'll leave it set to No and keep the other settings as they are. After that, simply click Generate. The system will take a few minutes to process, but once it's done, you'll have a stunning video ready to use. The final result looks smooth, polished, and honestly quite impressive for a free tool. And if you'd like to make your own kids' animation video using free AI tools, be sure to watch this video. In this video, I have shown you step by step how you can create fun and engaging animations completely for free. Don't forget to share in the comments which tool worked best for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to help.